Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Marita Damayanti. You can call me Marita. Now I would like to explain to you about vector and scalars. There are some points that I want to explain to you. First, the definition. Second, the example. Third, addition of vector. Fourth, multiplication of vector. The definition of scalar. A scalar quantity is a quantity that only has a magnitude. The example, volume, mass, distance, time, and time intervals. Second, the definition of vector. A vector quantity is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. The example, velocity, displacement, and other. Third, addition of vector. At one point, there are several methods can be used to perform the vector addition action. Namely, triangle method for the addition of two vectors, the tier method for the addition of two vectors, and the polygon method for the addition of two vectors or more vectors. 1. Triangle method. The triangle method is a vector addition method by placing the base of the second vector at the end of the first vector. Suppose there are two vectors, a and b. The sum of the two vectors using triangle method is as follows. Vector r equals vector a plus vector b. 2. The tier method. The tier method is a method of addition to vectors that are placed at the same start point, so that the result of the vector is the diagonal level. For example, there are two vectors a and b. Then the sum of the vector using the tier method is as follows. Vector r equals vector a plus vector b. 3. The polygon method. The polygon method is method of adding two or more vectors. The result of the addition of this vector is a vector originating at the base of the first vector and ending at the end the final vector. Next, multiplication of vectors. Multiplying the dots of the vector 2 gives a scalar. Therefore, point product is often called scalar product. Let's see A and B be vector non-vector. The point product or the product of A and B points written A multiplied B. The definition A multiplied B equals length A, length B cos theta, where theta is angle between A and B. 2. Cross product. The cross product of two vectors A multiplied B is also known as the cross product. The cross product of A multiplied B will give a vector whose direction is perpendicular to the plane formed by the two vectors. The cross product of A multiplied B will give a vector whose direction is perpendicular to the plane formed by the two vectors. And the magnitude is equal to the product of the two vectors with the sign of the right angle. The right-hand rule can be used to determine the vector direction of the cross product. That's all about vector and scalar. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.